Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what is Gacha card in Talkie app. So let's get started. So let's see. So open the Talkie app. Okay. So if you scroll here, you can see your card option as your my card. Just click on there and you can see the cards. So if you see here a gacha card or a premium card, that means the card is of more value and it's rare. For example, as you can see this card shown is here for this follower, like for this account. If you see here, from here you can just stop selling and then you can sell into the amount that you want to sell. Just click on confirm and it will be sold. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way too. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.